subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has launched two new flagship smartphones in China called Honor 60 and Honor 60 Pro with curved edge display. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Honor 60 Pro is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Honor 60 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus OLED curved display with 120Hz refresh rate support, and it is HDR10+ certified. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU, and it packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. As per the optics, the Honor 60 Pro supports a triple camera setup and an elliptical module at the top left corner that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 122° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with 100° field of view support, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. The device comes backed by a large 4800 mAh battery that supports 66W super fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Magic UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes dual stereo speakers for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.9 by 74.8 by 8.19mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor 60 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Fantasy Sky Blue, Juliet, Aurora Green, and Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from December 10th. So what do you guys think of this Honor 60 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.